is cottage, bamboo cottage. कुछ इस तरह से बना है.
You can see
नाना इधर आओ देखो बात
it's
कर रहे हैं.
a different building than we have in Kampus Bambu Togo.
Ah,
This one is called Eco Cabin.
Eco
Eco Cabin.
eco
You
cabin.
can see
Okay.
if not use pole, bamboo pole, use laminated bamboo.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's totally
Like
bamboo.
timber, yeah?
It's like a wood timber, but it's laminated bamboo. So it has a structural integrity much stronger.
Very strong, very strong.
It's last for how many years, sir?
Oh, it can last up to maybe 30 years.
Oh, wow.
It depends.
Safe to say maybe 10 up. This is supposed to be the design that we use in the Ministry of what is it? PUPR? Pekerjaan Umum. And price to build this one is a little bit high.
I think in our country we import this one laminated bamboo. Some people import. Going next, bamboo roll.